Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna share with you my nighttime skincare routine, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So the first step is cleansing. I usually wash my face twice with the same cleanser. The first time to take off my makeup and the second time to really deep cleanse my skin and take out all the dirt that might be in it. I always pat my skin, never really drag, because it's just better in general. Then I just recently started using this spot treatment. It's supposed to help with hyperpigmentation, so I'll definitely keep you updated how it does, but I have noticed that some of my hyperpigmentation is a bit lighter. The next step is going to be La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Plus, which I use to both moisturize and treat my skin. In this video clip I accidentally squeezed out too much. You definitely don't need this much on your face. A little goes a long way with this product. Then I do this little massage on my face to increase the blood flow, and I've heard it's really good and it has a lot of benefits, so I incorporated this into my routine. Then some eye cream. Never forget a lip balm, it's pretty important. And so yeah, this was my nighttime skincare routine. Hope you enjoy. Bye!